she a go bring a whole heap of things up from the past. All the little evidence you better know fi pass. Quick for your answer, no open back. But if she back up when you know you better run fast.
But she caught me on the counter. Saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even caught me on camera. She saw the marks on my shoulder.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video, or if you're a returning viewer, thank you as well for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, we will be doing a little bit of Christmas shopping because your girl is very last minute. Like, I don't know, but it's giving very irresponsible. I have on my face already and I'm just kind of like finishing up my get ready process to head out. I want to go to Winners. I am not going to be buying a lot of stuff, but I just want to get a few gifts for my family and also for myself. Because one thing about me, every freaking Christmas I be buying gifts, I be leaving on myself. Like, myself be like, girl,
where is my gift? Like, you don't love me or something? Like, you're buying gift for everyone else that you love. You don't love me?
But yeah, I'm gonna buy something for myself. I'm not leaving myself out. We're gonna get going on the road and I'm gonna take y'all along. Yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, fit check. Good. So I'm wearing my hoodie and this leggings that I got from Winners, I think, and my Converse. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, my Converse. I have my little winter hat on, and I actually wanted to pair this fit with this jacket and my scarf because it matches the new tone on my hat, but it's -16 and it feels like -30. So this jacket ain't gonna work. It isn't like one of those long jackets, so I can't wear this. I'm gonna have to wear my black puffer, and I'm still gonna wear the scarf because it matches the hat, and I'm gonna have my hair muffs on. If I was driving, I could have actually gone with the nude puffer jacket, but since that's not gonna be happening, I have to like make sure that I layer up. Y'all, this is how you have to mother freaking layer up in this winter, okay? In Canada, winter is no freaking joke. So you have to be dressing in all type of shit.
Put the new 40 autos on the Jeep. Run up 30 in a week. I just fuck her, I don't eat. 45 under the pillow, 45,000 in the sheet. I want the bag, nigga. I can't take no hoe if I know she ain't married to me. Bitch, I done got this shit about.
Alright, y'all, so I'm actually walking to the Winners right now, y'all. It is so freaking cold outside, and the worst part about it, I can't have my gloves on while I'm actually videoing because for some reason the phone always slide out my hand. I guess because the gloves is kind of slippery, but yeah, my fingers are freezing. So I'll catch you guys back when I'm actually in the store or something, because this ain't it, okay? think about this camera. I'm gonna have to learn how to use it. So this is how it's looking now. Like, look at the quality.
Break my back, 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 break my back.
Alright y'all, so I'm back home as you guys can see, and right now I am feeling so freaking hungry. So I have my Starbucks here. I want to actually give you guys a haul of everything that I got, but I'm gonna put something in my body first, y'all. I'm so freaking hungry. Like, it's literally almost 3 o'clock, and from a wake up minute, you know. So I'm gonna eat my Starbucks sandwich. I actually got the San Beyond Meat sandwich, and this is literally my favorite sandwich from Starbucks. It is so freaking good. And I got myself the holiday special, so it's the venti peppermint macchiato. Really good. Like, I really love how it's just a hint of peppermint. The peppermint in it isn't like overbearing and overpowering the taste. It's not sweet, and it's just the right flavor. I just wanted to experiment with the taste. Like, I wondered what peppermint would taste like in a drink, because you know, like, peppermint sweetie and all of those stuff kind of have that what you call it, like minty taste, and it's like a high type of, like, spicy type of flavor. It isn't overbearing, and it's not like overly spicy or whatever. I really love this. And I actually also got their snowman cookie. This is what it's looking like. I haven't tried it yet, as you guys can see. I'm gonna try this after I finish having my sandwich. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna waste my money, but I'm gonna warm up my sandwich. And get something in my body, because as I said before, I haven't ate from morning. My grocery is actually supposed to come at 3 o'clock. I don't know the exact time right now, but at least I got home before they came, because normally I ask them to leave it at my door. And so yeah, thank God I come home before they deliver that. But I'm gonna warm this up, and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna do a haul, and I think I'm not gonna bother to do the stew piece today, y'all. Like, girl, outside cold, me could not survive not even 1 more minute out of the door. The store that I was supposed to go to get the pigtail, it's literally like a couple minutes away from my house, but I don't want to go back out the door. I'm not paying no taxi fare just to go to the supermarket when I just come off of the road. So I'm gonna scrap that for today. I might just cook the stew peas on Sunday instead, but I'm gonna do some curry shrimp. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for dinner. But for now, y'all, I'll catch you back when I'm done eating or something.
Seeing you by ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.
So quick grocery haul. I got me the 4-berry blend, and this consists of raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. And y'all, I like to use this to make my smoothie as well as to make my oatmeal bowl. I also got our finest orange juice, and this is a 100% orange juice with no pulp. I don't drink the one with pulp in it because that just tastes so yucky. And I also got me some Starbucks coffee enhancer, and this is in the flavor caramel macchiato. For some reason, I'm just so in love with the caramel macchiato flavor. It's giving. And I also got me some lychee. Every time I watch Chini or how is her name pronounced? Chini or Chanel, one out of them. But she always talks about lychee. And I was also watching Tash Fierce's channel, and she tried some sort of lychee drink. So they inspired me to actually try the lychee flavor. Hopefully it works out good and it's not a dub. I also got me some Dempster's bagel, and this is the everything one. So I like to use this for breakfast to make like sandwiches and stuff. My favorite flavor. And I also got myself the cinnamon raisin bagel as well, same brand. I like to use this for my breakfast sandwich as well. Sometimes I like putting Philadelphia cream cheese on that. Tastes so good, y'all. But I like to toast it first though. I also got me some bananas. Like every time I do grocery shopping, I have to get bananas. It is one of my essential fruits. I love freaking bananas. It's my favorite fruit ever. I also got me some scallion, which we call spring onions over here. I also got me some bell peppers, which we call, what we call this again in Jamaica? Sweet pepper, which we call sweet pepper in Jamaica. And I also got me some, like a package of the different colors. I also got me some avocado, some Cavendish restaurant style waffle fries. I love waffle fries. Some of the time, instead of eating out on Fridays and Saturdays, because you know we are Jamaican, like most people don't really like cook pan Fridays, pan weekends. Not even only Jamaicans. People them up here, well, them not like cook period. But I like to have like some sort of food, some sort of like, you know, quick food. What you call them something here now? Fast food, you know, call it whatever. But I sometimes like to make it myself. That way I know that I'm making it in the healthiest way possible. And so that is why I always get, well, not always, some of the times, because I don't do it like all the time. So like once in a while, like once every 4 months, 5 months, I'll buy some fries. And I also got me this is in Spanish. I don't know what that's saying. I also got myself the chicken wings, and this is a salt and pepper flavor. Seedless grape, of course. I actually switched to the organic grapes a while now. I think about a year now. I stopped buying the purple ones and get the green ones. Normally they're bigger than this, but maybe the fertilizer never worked so good this month. I also got myself Philadelphia cream cheese, and this is the whipped type. Butter, yogurt, some stew beef because I was gonna do the stew peas. Still gonna do it. Power bowls. Sometimes I like to have these in my house because these are some quick meals. And as you know, like I'm always on the go, so I don't always have time to really cook some food or whatever. So I like to have these healthy bowls that I could use for dinner and stuff or lunch. Got some raw Pacific white shrimp, my favorite type of shrimp to get. Normally I'd get the cooked one, but I just thought that I'd just buy the raw one this time. Come in, you know, make a cook that today. You know, I should have did buy the cook one because I'm gonna use it today. I bought the raw one because I didn't intend on cooking it today, but you know, change our plans. Also got some sliced strawberries. I actually love frozen strawberries, like frozen fruits overall. Like the only thing I don't like frozen is bananas and grapes. That's why I always get those fresh. But otherwise, for me, honestly, y'all, I actually love frozen fruits more than how I love fresh fruits for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, I can't bother with the fresh fruit because they spoil so quick and so easily. I normally buy like a bulk of fruits when I'm buying my fruits, and I can't bother for the next 2 to 3 days fruits them start spoil because I'm gonna run through them that quick. So I like to buy the frozen ones. That way I will be able to like just throw them in the freezer. Yeah, I know you can actually buy the fresh fruit, cut them up and put them in the freezer, but I don't have time for that. Like, yeah. Got some apples. These are actually, let me see if I the right one them thing, because them here look like the Gala. These are Royal Gala. I actually asked them to substitute if they didn't have the ones that I love. I like Ambrosia, which is a sour kind of apple, but they never have that, so I just told them if they don't have that, I'll substitute. This is the second best thing for me when it comes down to apples. I already show you guys the sweet pepper. Got some corn on the cob. Love having those in my fridge. Some milk, double cheddar, shredded cheese. Have to always have those as well. And I actually just checked my order list again because I was looking at the order and I was like, this is not all the things that I ordered. Like 3 of the things that I ordered are actually not here. So I checked and I realized that they didn't have 3 of those in stock by the time the guy started picking my items to actually deliver it. They were in stock at the time when I was ordering it, but by the time the guy was delivering my order, started like picking it and, you know, looking for like the items that I ordered and stuff, I guess they ran out of stock because it's a Christmas season, y'all. The stores and all of that is so crazy. Like so much people, like you can barely get space to walk in the store them. I went to the mall and it was so jam-packed, like, oh yeah, like the holiday season have everybody going crazy. So I guess those were out of stock. So I ordered a big bottle of cranberry juice because I love cranberry juice. They didn't have any of that, and I ordered a milk frother. That's the little handheld blender thing that you guys see them using to make them coffee, to mix them coffee on TikTok. That's where I saw it first, because all the TikTok girlies be, you know, using it to make their coffee. Probably I forgot order one on Amazon, which you know is gonna take a long time because during the holiday season, right now is peak season. So whenever it's peak season, you have to wait a long time. Like I think it's got out of stock quick. So I don't know, I might have to order that like after the holiday if I'm gonna order it from Amazon, or I might check Superstore to see if they have any. But yeah, and they also shorted me one of my Starbucks thingies. I ordered a Starbucks caramel macchiato as well. I think it is the creamer, I don't remember, but I ordered that to use and make my coffee because I'm a coffee girl. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna pack away these groceries and get started on dinner. I also need to still show you guys everything that I got at the store, everything that I got at Winners. So I'm gonna show y'all that after I finish cooking, or probably meanwhile I'm cooking, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, that's what we're gonna do right now.
Change for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. No one knows. Oh, why that you missing me now? No, you kissing me now. Oh, why missing me now? In that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. No one knows. But I don't wanna play your games no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. 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 No one knows.
Alright y'all, so I'm all done cooking right now. My hair is looking so freaking puffy. I need to put some water on it so I can tame it a little bit because it's just like so puffy and fizzy. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the haul. So I told you guys that I will show you guys like some of the stuff that I actually bought for gifts for Christmas, because of course, as I told you guys earlier, I actually went to Winners to get some Christmas gifts for my family and also for myself. I am going to have to go back to get some other stuff, y'all, because as y'all know, I don't have a car, so I had to take the bus and it was just not giving with some of the stuff that I wanted to buy. I saw this cute freaking wine glass set, y'all. I actually took up a wine to pair with it. I've never seen that wine before, so I said that I wanted to try it, but I honestly did not want to go on the bus with that, so I just scrapped it and said, you know what, I'm just gonna go back another time. But of course, if you know Marshalls, it's likely that they won't actually have it again when I go back, because they switch around their things every freaking week. So you might see something today and by the time you go back, you don't see it. So yeah, you will likely see something today and by the time you go back by like the end of the week or next week or so, because they switch out their stocks like every single week. So they get new stocks on Wednesdays. So what you see today might not be what you see like next week, or you can go back tomorrow and you don't see. Want to show y'all the stuff that I got. I'm gonna take this time to actually take off the price tags as well. I don't like gifting people things and have like the price tag showing or whatever the case may be. Like bag for my dad. He's a gymster. He's a gym rat, as they'd say. But yeah, y'all, this is how it's looking. It is so freaking cute and I feel like it's going to be durable. I actually bought him a red and black, I think it was a red and black Adidas one, I think year before last Christmas. And I don't know, I just think you can never have too much gym bag. And this one is just kind of more lightweight. Red and black are his colors, so I feel like he's gonna like it. It has a Puma logo on the side. And my dad, I don't think he brings a lot of things to the gym or whatever, so I feel like this would be good for him. So it's just like, bro, like how the hell do you get this open? Anyways, it's just like one big old compartment inside, and then you have two little areas at each side that you can like put water bottles or whatever in. So that's for my dad, my loving dad, my wonderful daddy. So I bought 2 of these. These are actually earmuffs, and I bought 2 of these, one for each of my sisters. They didn't have any other color, so I just bought 2 black. I really love how stylish it is. Like, I really love fashion. I love stylish things, and I just like things that look good, you know? So I just thought I'd buy it for them. It's Vince Camuto. Is that how it's pronounced? Vince Camuto. Vince Camuto. If it will focus, yeah. What caught my eyes was actually the bedazzling that's on the top. Like, you see how fancy it is? Yeah, I think they're gonna love it. Well, especially my little sister Zuri, because she strikes me as that fashionista, you know? Like, she's that girly girl. So I feel like she is gonna like it for sure. Then I got this for my dad. Hopefully he likes it. One thing about me, I am not good at buying men gifts, to be honest. Like, I've never been good at buying men gifts. I normally just stick to shoes, watch, necklace, and like essentials like socks and all of those stuff, because I know they're always in need of socks because they wear so much shoes. But I've never been a good gifter of males, of the male kind, for the male species. So yeah, but I think I did good with this one though. I really like this. So it is this little watch, and it says man's gift featuring watch, bracelet, zipped travel pouch. So it's actually American Exchange, so that's the brand, and this is how it's looking. My dad is actually a gold guy, but I know he's gonna appreciate it whatever color it is in, because one thing about my dad, he appreciates anything that you give him. And honestly, y'all, for me, it's a thought that counts. Like, you can give the most expensive gift or the most cheapest gift. For me, it's the thought that counts. For someone to actually take their hardworking money and spend on you and give you something as a gift, you know that they're actually thinking of you and they appreciate you and they're just showing you love. So no matter the cost, like no matter the price tag, for me, I definitely appreciate whatever gift I get, because you didn't have to spend your hardworking money and give me anything, okay? So I don't care about the price. But yeah, that's for my dad as well. And I bought this cute little dress, y'all, for my little sister. Oh, I need to actually be taking off the tags. But I bought this cute little 2-piece set for my sister. As you guys can see, it is this like cute knitted plaid dress, and the material feels so good, y'all. Like, it feels like it's definitely gonna be able to keep her a little bit warm. Like, if she throw on one of her winter jackets with this, it's definitely gonna help keep her body warm in the winter time. She can even wear it to church, because they actually go to church on Sundays and so forth. So I think this would actually be a cute outfit for her to wear to church. Yeah. I love the button details going down. Like, I love that it's rose gold. It's just so cute, y'all. I couldn't pass it up. But yeah, I got that for my baby sister. This is a Juicy Couture gift set. So it has like a little purse and a little wallet, a card case thingy included. And then it has, I don't know what this is. I guess this is a Juicy Couture ring thingy. I don't know, but yeah, it has 3 things in it, and I'm thinking of, you know, I don't want to give one of them more gifts than the other, so I'm thinking of, you know, one can get the purse, one can get the wallet, whichever they want. But I'm thinking like my bigger sister could get this and my little sister could probably get this. I don't know. I bought this cute little Tommy Hilfiger purse for my stepmom, and I also have another gift for her that I bought like a couple weeks ago, so I have that to pair with this gift, and I feel like she's gonna love it. I was trying to get a purse in purple because purple is her favorite color, but I could not find any purple purse, so I got this one. I feel like you can never go wrong with neutrals, so even though I didn't get it in her favorite color, like you can almost pair this with anything, with maybe not anything, but yeah, like you can never go wrong with neutrals. Let me see what's going on inside because I actually didn't take a look in it. And these are the different compartments. So you have a lot of space in there that you can put your stuff in, your money, your card, your everything, you know, every little thing that a purse normally has, it is in here. And y'all, I have to go back to actually buy myself a gift because honestly, like I was just focusing on them because I wanted to get their gifts out of the way. So I got this Juicy Couture watch. Like, I know she's gonna love this because it's pink, just pink and rose gold, and it's just simple and cute. Like, you can never go wrong with a watch. So I bought this cute little brow pen, and they actually said that this provides you with a microblade effect. I actually always wanted to try microblading, so when I saw this I was like, yeah, I'm gonna definitely try this. It says on there the microblade effect brow pen, so yeah, I can't wait to try it out because I always wanted to do microblading. So if this can give me the effect, you know, like there's no going back. Okay, I also got this Remy lash, and this is the Ardell Professional Remy lash, 100% premium Remy here with Invisiband. So this actually has like an invisible band, but I actually want to cut it up into clusters and do an individual lash look, because for me, like the individual look be giving, okay, but I don't have $200 to be spending on individual lashes right now. Okay, your girl is a college girl, so I'm balling on a budget, so I can do it myself and I can create the look myself. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting this up and turning it into clusters to do my individual lash set. Lastly, I actually got this limited edition holiday nail set from the brand Tip Beauty, and this is their press-on nails. Like, I really love it. I love the fact that they have like the French tip vibe going on. I really love the French tip type of design, y'all. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I always wanted to get my nails done. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to try the rounded look, the oval shape. Yeah, I thought that was the last thing, but no. Lastly, I got this for my bathroom. One thing about me, whenever I go shopping, especially in like Winners or Marshalls or Home Sense or Walmart, like I can't leave without something for my house, y'all. Like, that's when you know you're getting grown and freaking old. Like when things for the house excites you, when furniture and them some of the decorative stuff for the house excite you, you know you get old. So I could not pass this up, y'all. Plus I was wanting a new bathroom set, so I thought that, you know what, I'm gonna buy this because it's not expensive, and plus it's giving the vibe that I want it to give. The only thing I wish that the hardware on this was actually gold instead of silver, because your girl is a gold girl. Like, gold just be doing it for me. I don't really dig silver that much, but you know, it can go on. So I caught this, and this was actually for $24.99, so it's a steal. And look how nice it look. Like, I just love the white vibe day. When you have your house in a white, like the walls are white, the decor is white, the sheets, it's just giving that luxe feel, you know, that hotel type of vibe. The bathroom white and everything. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. The next place I move to, the walls got to be white. Like this new thing, don't be doing it for me. Yeah, y'all, so that's all the things that I actually got on my little shopping spree today, and I already showed you guys like all my grocery and stuff that I bought. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you have made it this far to the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. And don't forget to leave your comments down below, y'all. Like, tell me what you're thinking, tell me what videos y'all want to see, because some of the time your girl be stuck. I don't know like what to create, what you guys want to see and everything. And since I am actually growing, I just want to ensure that I'm creating content that my audience actually wants to see and not what I personally want to create. I can incorporate a little bit of what I want to do, but you know, it's more so for your pleasure and for your viewing. So I definitely want you guys to leave some ideas, some video ideas down below. I will really appreciate it. And yeah, I also want to say a great big thank you for 500 subscribers, y'all. Like, this is my midpoint to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful. I didn't think that I would actually reach here by the end of the year, but I'm so grateful that you guys are supporting me and that you guys are loving the content. So I just want to say a big thank you and welcome to the family, all my new subscribers. I just want to thank you for supporting and for clicking the subscribe button. I really love all of you guys, each and every one of you. I love you. I love you for supporting me, and I support you all too, okay? So I just want to say, have a beautiful rest of your day or your night or your evening or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole.